Hello, this is Simeon from Moprexious Concepts. Today we'll be talking about the interface of this app called Pixellab, the interface, and how to use the app. But before we do that, don't forget to like this video and also click the subscribe button. After clicking the subscribe button, click notification button. So whenever we drop a video like this, you will be notified. Now let's go into business of the day. When you open your Pixellab app, it will be displaying like this. As you can see now, we are inside Pixellab app now. Now let's talk about the buttons, the interface, and how to use it. As you can see, this plus button, it means add. That means you can add anything to this template. This is the template. This is where you'll be designing your graphics. So from this place, you can, if you click this plus button, you can see you can add text, you can add current date, you can add sticker, you can add shape, then you can add something from your gallery, from the gallery of your phone. Then you can draw. From this button, this is a save button. This save button, there are two options inside. Option number 1, save as project. Also, option number 2, save as image. Don't forget to save your design as project. Always make sure you save your project. Save your design as project, because if you refuse to save as project, then your customer or your client complain about any design, you won't be able to come back to adjust. But if you save as a project, then you can easily come back to adjust that design. Then after that, you save your image as either JPEG or PNG. We will get to that when I will show you that when we get to the stage. Then this button, this is a share button. From this place, you can share to any social media. You can share to any social media. As you can see, just click this place, then you will be able to share to any social media. This button is a quote button. Maybe you are designing something and you want to add any quote. If you click this place, it will show you so many quotes. As you can see, a lot of quotes. You can just add, you can just insert any code to your design. Then this place is like a menu button. From this place, you can use image from your gallery. You can change this interface, your display area, you can change it to full screen. Then you can use image from camera. Maybe you are designing and you want to take a picture. Just take image from camera here. Then you can export your image from this place. Now let's go to this button. This button is just an undo button. Maybe you are doing something, then you made a mistake, or you want to go back to the previous stage that you have deleted. Then when you click on this button, it will undo the drawing. Then from this place, you can increase the interface of the app. Then this is layers. Yes, layers. This is where you will be able to add. If you click on this one, then you will be able to see the layers of what you are designing. From this place, you can merge. From this place, you can close. From this place, you can easily undo also. Then let's go to this. As you can see, sticker, we have sticker here, we have import. You can also import from this place to your design. Then you can draw. You can use this button to draw whatever you want to draw. This is shapes. As you can see, shapes. From this place, you can insert any shape. You can see from this place you can insert any shape to your design. This is square shape. So if you need another shape, then you just click this place. Click this. You can see. Just click. Then you'll be able to pick any shape that you want to add to your design or you want to put in. Then if you insert that, after that, then you just click. Don't forget to click this mark button. Then after clicking the mark button, then the shape will be inserted to your design. The shape will be inserted to your design. Now this is text button. This is where you'll be able to adjust. This is where you'll be able to edit your text. Maybe you want to change fonts, maybe you want to change the size, maybe you want to change the spacing, maybe you want to, whatever you want to do to your text, then from this place you'll be able to do it. Then from this place you'll be able to do whatever you want to do to your shape, to your drawing, to your design. Then when you click this place, then it will take you, assuming we have shape here already now, then from this place it will take us to that it will take us to that shape. Then we will be able to adjust it. Then this one also is a layer. You cannot use this one now, not until maybe you started designing, then you'll be able to use this one. Then the last one here is effect button. You can't also use this one now. You can only use it when you started designing. Now let's do a little design. Just click this place, then okay, let's do it this way. Click here. You see, we have text here already. Let me stop using this cursor. Let me use my hand directly so you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. Pick this cursor. Let us delete it. You can delete this cursor. Now let's go to text edit button. If you click here, then you'll be able to, can you see? You see, it will take you to this place. Then you'll be able to edit. You can delete, you can copy. If you click this one now, it will duplicate our text. Click this one, you can see it will duplicate the text for us. Now let's delete one. Let's now edit this one. Just click this edit button. Click the edit button, then it will take you to this place. So from here now you'll be able to edit whatever you want to edit. You can close straight, you can delete straight. You see, it will delete everything. Now let us input whatever we want to do. Now I will be putting my name is Simeon. My name is Simeon. As you can see, my name is Simeon. So after that, then you click OK. It will take you to this your template again, to this your design area. So from this place, you'll be able to edit whatever you want to edit. Now my name is Simeon. Okay, let's edit this again. I don't want that Simeon to be where it is. My name. Put this one here. Then pick another text. Edit that. Close. My name is. Put that one there. This thing, we can do this thing together. Okay, let me show you how to do everything together. So it will not be complicated. I don't want this to be complicated. Just delete, undo, then delete this one, then delete this one. Let's delete everything outrightly. Let us start afresh. Click here, add text, edit the text, delete all. Now my name is Simeon. Now what are we going to do? Okay, you can see now. So now we want to justify this. We want to centralize this thing because it's not good the way it is. It is not good the way it is. Now what are you going to do? See, you will just go to this place. You can see align. When you click align, then it will align it. You can see that is centralized. It will centralize whatever you want to do. Then click OK. So when you click OK, from this place you can enlarge this text, but it's not advisable to be enlarging text from this side. You can use, see, let me show you. Always be using text size. Yes, text size. I will tell you the reason why you must be using this one when we get to that stage. When we get to that stage, I will tell you. Now put this here, then OK. Now I want to change the font. I don't like that font, so click here. Which font? Let's use this font. Yes, I like this font. Then after picking the font, then click OK. Now you can see this place. You can see this place. This is my font. You can see my font. I have font installed already. If you are yet to install any font, then this place will be empty. Let me open it now. You can see these are the fonts that I have been using for my design. Yes, these are the fonts that I've been using for my design. So if you don't have any font installed, then that place will be empty. Now let's go back to our design. You can see my name is Simeon. Now I want to change the color of this text. You can see color. See color here. Color. Don't forget to always, when you want to edit your text, don't forget to always click this letter A. From this letter A, you will be able to edit your text. Now I want to change the color of this text. I want to change it to maybe black. I want to change it to black. I don't like this white. Now this is black. My name is Simeon. Always make sure you justify whatever you are doing, whatever you are designing. As you can see, the space on this side must be equal to the space on this side, unless you want to do special effect, or maybe that is how you want to design it. Maybe you want it to be to slant. So don't forget to always centralize whatever you are doing. Now my name is Simeon. I want to add another text. Now what are you going to do? Click here, then text, then edit the text. Delete this one. My name is Simeon. I am a designer. I'm a graphic designer. Let's put it that way. I am a graphics. Okay, let's do it this way. I am a graphics designer. I'm a graphic designer. Okay. Now you bring it to this place. Now we want to change the size of the text. Change the size of the text. Now if we want to bold this, if we want to change the size of this text, it will cover up everywhere. As you can see. Now what are we going to do? Let us edit this. I'm doing this just to show you how to edit. Even if you made a mistake earlier, then just go back to edit. Don't delete this. What are you going to do now? Just bring your cursor to this place, then bring this one down. Then okay. You can see. Now what are we going to do? We are going to justify this. centralize it. You can see, to centralize it. Then okay. Then after that, we can now change the size of the of the of the text. Change the size of the text. Still, I don't like this font. I don't like this font. What are we going to do now? We will have to change our font. Change our font. Maybe let us change our font to days. To days. Days. Yes. I am a graphic designer. Let's change it to days. Yes, this is better. Now you can see it covers everywhere. What are we going to do now? We are going to adjust the size. You can just use this plus or minus. You can be using this plus or minus. You see plus and minus. You can use them, plus and minus. If you don't want to hold from this place and drag, just use minus. It will take time, but use it. Now let's just justify this. My name is Simeon. I am a graphic designer. Now this is a default background. This is a default background. I don't want to use this default background. I don't want to use the default background. I can easily go to okay, let us do a little design with this. Let us do a little design. Now let us go to layers. So from this place, you can easily choose your color. You can see, to change the background. You can see I don't want this. Let us use this one. I'm just, as you can see, we are just doing test running. We are just doing test running, as in how to know the interface, then how to be able to use this app called Pixellab. So that is how to change your background. Now after, maybe when you are satisfied, then you just click plus. Then we have our background now. Now what are you going to do next? Because after you finish your design, what next are you going to do? I told you earlier, don't forget to always save as project. Save your design as a project first. You can see, save as a project. Then pick project name. Save as a project. Don't forget, save as a project. Pick your project name. Let me choose Simeon for this. Then click OK. Now anytime I want to adjust, anytime I want to do anything to this design, I will easily be able to come back to this place to adjust. Maybe it is this font that I don't like, then I will be able to do that. Now I want to save the project so people will be able to see it. I will be able to show it to people, because the one inside your project, you cannot show it to anybody. Now I want to save now to be able to show anyone. Then you go back to this place, you click, then you save image. The save image will bring you to this place. Don't forget to always check this place. Maybe you want to change your image as a JPEG, or you want to save your image as PNG. JPEG means the image will have background, while PNG means the image, you will save the image without background. As you can see here now, JPEG is with no transparency. It won't be transparent. It will have a background, but PNG will have a background. We will get to that stage. I will be explaining more on that when we get to this stage. So let us leave it as JPEG. Then dimension. Always make sure you save your graphics, your design. Use high or very high or ultra. Don't use custom or low or medium, because the quality will not be there. But start from high, very high, and ultra. Now I will be using ultra for this. I click ultra already. Then what next are you going to do? You can also share from this place. If you click share, it will bring out a template. a place where you'll be able to share to maybe Facebook, maybe Twitter, maybe Instagram, maybe WhatsApp. But for the course of this training, we just want to save to gallery. Now what are you going to do? Click save to gallery. As you can see, image saved. Now if you go to your gallery, you go into your phone gallery, then you'll be able to see this design. My name is Simeon. I am a graphics designer. That is how to use this app called Pixellab. But guys, we still have a lot of buttons here that we are yet to touch. In the course of this training, then we'll be touching them as we are designing projects upon projects upon projects. Then we'll be touching them. Then I'll be explaining how to use them, how to perfect them. Then guys, please don't forget, as a graphic designer, you need to keep on practicing. Yes, keep on practicing. Don't just say, okay, I know how to do this already. I know how to do. No, you have to come back. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. That is the end of this tutorial, as in how to use graphics design. How to use Pixellab. I will see you in the next video. Take care.